Hello and welcome back. Welcome back. Today, we are getting the lovely chance to paint in the hottest art market in the world. That's right, you guessed it, Wynwood, Miami. Today, we're going to be painting for Smorgasbord, which is a great new restaurant concept, coming here to Miami from New York City of all places. I can't wait to show you guys the process, show you what I'm going to use, and without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'll put a lot of extra layers on top of each thing just to build it forward. And that's really just to make sure that, you can build detail without running out of space.
Message!
So I'm getting there. I think it's gonna be time to start putting on some of these outlines here in a second, because that'll probably look really cool and give me the courage to keep on doing this thing, because honestly I'm just getting tired. So yeah, we're gonna start putting on some of these outlines.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
All right, so I started to get these lines up, and yeah, it does make me want to keep going, so that's a good thing, thank God. Small favors. In the meantime, I'm just going to try and
Thank God.
fill in as much line work as possible before I have to go back to the bottom part down there, to kind of fill in color and do some fading and stuff like that. But
stop it. Get some help.
I like to do things out of order. There's the right way to do it, and then there's the way I do it. So, yeah, let's get going.
Crazy.
Okay, time out. So, you may know that I absolutely hate taping, but it's definitely useful to get even proportions and proper sizing. And if you want to get better, you gotta do things that you don't always want to do. So, stop complaining and just do it. Do it! Just do it!
Crazy. Crazy.
All right, so we have finally finished. Isn't that great? So before I show you guys how this thing came out, you can kind of see a little bit of a pic right there. I've got to do the most important thing. Sign it. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign it. And then, well, I haven't stretched the canvas. So I'm going to stretch the canvas as well. And then, finally then, we're going to show you guys the final result. So thanks for sticking with me. Hope you guys had a great time. And remember, be you. We are working at Smorgasburg, Miami, where a year ago I got my wonderful, illustrious start in the Wynwood scene. And what a better way to do than to return to it. You probably can't see any of this, but see you later. See you soon.
Hello?
What would you even want? What?
What they got to say, no, nothing they can say, no.
What would you even want? What?
Alright, so got a lot of the fill done, and since I forgot my ladder, I'm gonna have to get back and do the rest of this tomorrow.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
And of course finish it because Saturday is Smorgasburg. So, big day tomorrow. That's all I can say. Big day.
Yeah, boy.
Back like she never left. Steph. Hey, bars. Crazy. And Apollo. Just getting some of that energy out. So, yeah.
What they got to say, no, nothing they can say, no.
But yeah, look at some of these details, man. Just trying to do a little bit better than we did last time. Nice and clean. Cool stuff. But that's all you get to see. That's it. Until we get the sexy shots. Without further ado, today we are going to paint a fantastic, well, not really paint, but put together a fantastic project that we've done for our partners over at Smorgasburg in Miami. And if you don't know where it is, it's the best place you can get some great eats in an outdoor open air market. But we're going to go ahead and put together a cool project, something that I haven't done really for a while, and I'm excited to show you. So let's get into it. What is this project, you might ask? What exactly is it that I'm doing today? You ever seen one of those directional poles that tell you where you're going? That's what we're putting together. So let's get started. So what have we done? The slabs have been painted properly, thank God. We have now gone ahead and placed the slabs onto the pole, and all we have to do is screw them in. So, aren't they so pretty?
Nice.
This beautiful piece of work for the city. And just like it says, the bites have just arrived. All right. And that's it. We're done.